What the fuck are you doing, bruh?
Nothing.
Any update on that refund?
Imam just show me the fine print.
What did it say?
He said no refund. You ever step on a bed of Legos yet?
No?
You don't feel good. The take away nipple buckle and he shot me a ears as.
Damn.
Son, me sorry. Who he think say him a fool? Jack, me know say you that. Jankro. And then him tear off his beer head with him beer and them.
Cap.
I swear. He ballin'. He puking. He do.
Sir? Sir? Sir!
So you love him mother more than me? When the rest me I do, yeah.
He ain't that rude.
What? Me dey on my fifth buckle of pressure pill from there, your pussy wall. If it's a nightmare, it's as if
Alvy Avery was a Jamaican.
Yeah, dog, but how you know that?
What's wrong, bro?
The cashier, they still think me I keep the party of me, yeah.